Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I will provide you on how I will provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first, what is Busy and why we use Busy? Busy offers a sort of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So let's come back to the top here and you click over form your free LLC now. Once you do that, you will find this page and you have to select firstly your you will select entity type LLC of course, then we have state here you will select New Jersey. Once you do that, you have to scroll down and you firstly choose your package. The first one, we have the basic one, it's for free, but you have to pay 130 for state fee and it's for 3 weeks. About this one, we have here preparing and filling the articles of organizations. Then we have free first year registered agent service. Then we have also online access dashboard, business banking account offer, business tax consultation. About the second one, we have its standard package. This one you have to pay $199 plus $130 for state fee and it's for 3 weeks. We have the same characteristic but we have plus business tax number, operating agreement, and also lifetime compliance alerts, a limited phone and email support. Then we have the last one, it's form 2553. About the last one, it's premium package. This one you have to pay $299 plus 130 state fee and it's for 1 day. Also we have expedited filling business contract templates, and we have domain name plus business email. So we have all these characteristics. Once you do that, you have just to click over get started and you will find this page which is company information. You have to write your LLC name. For example, I will write Mike, and then you have to write business purpose. So like Sun Gloat, for example. Then you click over next. Then we have this page which is contact person. You have to write your personal information like first name, last name, and email address also. And then you have to choose your mobile phone. Then you click over next. Then we have your company address information. We have two package here. We have professional business address and virtual email service. This will be your principal company address and you have to pay $200 to $29 per month. About this one, you have the benefits. It's mentioned privacy by using a commercial address, limited scanned incoming mail, a physical address for your business, and sent alerts with 7 per 24 hours access to your mail online. But I will choose the second one because it's for free. Then you will link your company address information. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will click over use enter. Then you have to provide members information. So you have to select number of members, then you link your personal information, then you click over next again. The next step we have registered agent information. About this step we have to choose between assign Busy as my registered agent free for 1 year or I would like to act my own registered agent. Then you have to write this your personal information. So I will choose the first one. So we have firstly to read this information first. Once you do that, you click over next, and we have then tax identification number information. So an employer identification number is a 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. Will apply and obtain your N from the IRS electronically. This option is the fastest way to obtain the N. So I'm a foreign individual and do not have a social security. I will click over yes, and I will click over agree. Then I write my personal information here, and then I will click over next again. Once you do that, you will find setting up small business banking. You have to read this information because we have no account fee or minimum up to 20 individual checking accounts to help your country projects have employees, no problem, issue up to 50 Visa debit cards to keep your business moving. FDC insured, so if you are interested, you click over yes I'm interested, or you click over ask me later. Once you do that, you'll find tax strategy and free consultation. About these steps, you have to read this information. If you are not interested, click over here, and if you are, you have to click over here, and it's absolutely for free. Then you click over next, and you will find this page, which is business licenses and permits. About this one, you have just to read this information or these guidelines. No chance I will do the work of myself, or yes, please mail the applications, $99. So team of licensing specialists will conduct the research for you, will determine all the license and permits you need to stay compliant, receive the applications along with a guide to the next step via mail. So we'll choose the second one, and you write your personal information. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find order summary for. So with this steps, it's very easy. You have just to edit your personal information if you already done a mistake, and you have to just click over edit and to modify it. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will choose your PayPal or credit card. So this is bill information, and you will like your credit card information like card number, expiry date, and here bill address also. Once you do that, you have just to go here and write this things, and then you have to pay $528, and you click over I agree, and then you click over complete and pay, and you're done with your inscription or your starts with LLC and Jersey. So as you guys can see, with the help of PC, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with a straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more business types and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.